Bas International would like to introduce this extended range 737-200 executive aircraft. Recently reconfigured to 30 executive seats, plus additional in-flight seating with 3 flat sofa beds. The forward cabin has 4 business plus seats and 8 business class seats. The mid cabin has 16 business seats and 2 fold-away tables. The rear cabin has 2 sofas plus fold-away tables. Each sofa has 1 usable seat. The rear galley has a cappuccino espresso maker, hot oven, drip coffee maker, microwave, and catering trolley storage. There are 2 lavatories on board, one rear and one front. An air sanitizer is used before and after each flight throughout the cabin. The large screen TVs provide flight tracking or entertainment. Additional cabin storage is available at the rear of each cabin. The aircraft is fitted with the latest GoGo Wi-Fi, providing free surfing and emails along with AirFi style movies direct to your personal devices. It is currently available for charter under FAA Part 135 certification in the domestic USA, Hawaii, Alaska, the Caribbean and South America. Retractable steps provide easy ramp onload and offload. There are 2 luggage holes, one front, one rear. The rear has approximately 300 cubic feet or 60 bags, while the front has a total usable space of 200 cubic feet or 40 bags, as the flyaway spares kit takes up approximately 50% of the full hold. To request a quote, please contact ops@lebas.com.